Hello friends, welcome to the Kill Bill Pandey show. Today actually we have come to react on a request made by a user and it was related to Thalapathy Vijay.
Yes.
Actually recently we had elections in Tamil Nadu. So yeah, Thalapathy Vijay had gone to vote.
Yes.
So there is a video on that actually. The user or our subscriber wants to react us to that.
Yes.
So let's see what it is.
Actually, we also wanted to know,
Yeah.
see, elections happens in every state. So, what is so special about this video? Like Thalapathy Vijay going to cast his vote.
Yeah.
So, it will be really surprising. I guess this is the first time we are doing something like this.
Yeah.
We've
never done
none related to movie video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, friends, then let us see what is story in this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe, do support us. Come, let us watch this video.
Cycle.
Yes, he's coming in cycle. See the fans, Ray. Are give him some space.
Coming to take photo and grabbing
See,
him.
but what they can also do, they also know that it might be the first and last opportunity with him in public, right?
Yeah.
But
The police and all are protected.
hands. Like seriously, it is like a very tedious job for a celebrity to come in public here.
Yeah. It's very difficult, and that too during this COVID conditions.
That is yes. See how all are jumping upon him. See people, they are without mask. See that fellow is sleeping, it seems. Or what?
Oh,
The fan or what?
is it?
I think something happened. Yes, I think so.
Someone is there in front.
He fell down or something happened, but someone was there. See the media, huh? See. See? Till the end.
Yeah.
See, actually, they did not. I think if they are entering that room, voting room, that media or any camera shouldn't be allowed. Actually, that is not allowed. But all are, no one is listening.
They're standing there
even
only.
Police is trying.
Yeah.
They are pushing the public back. Okay. Because some protocol will be there, na?
Of course, yeah.
So they need to follow that. See how they are. Now police is telling, please go out. But see, it's real. He's done or what? No, he's going on.
He's there, yeah. Green shirt.
No, that room, I guess he need to sign and he will go to that ballot box. See? In that also someone is taking selfie. See?
They're trying to stop them. They're going there also actually. The media, they're not leaving in there also. All that is to be secret, na? Whom they are working on.
Correct.
The policeman is having a hard time.
Yes. He's trying his best, but what he can also do.
He's done, no? Done. Okay.
Very difficult here, huh? For a superstar, from home to that office and then again going back would be like hectic torture. See, but what he can also do, like see, people are crazy about him.
They
All
like him,
they like him, and like this
Want
is
to
like
see him,
these are
meet him.
rare occasions when superstars like him come into the public.
Yeah.
So they also know that they are entering his private life, but what they can do, this is the last opportunity. They all are shouting. My God. It will be very difficult for him to go back now.
Yeah.
Because see, everyone now knew
Now
that he
everyone
came.
must be knowing it.
That he came here. And where is the cycle? How he came from his home in cycle, I don't know. Now he's holding a cycle, right? I think so.
Yes. Cycle.
Will he able to go? See, my God, how he will ride? Where is the space? One of shouting. See, he's just taking his cycle. What he can do? His shoes also came out. Oh my God. See, what, they will walk till his home or what? Where is he? Oh, now
on
it
the
took.
bike.
Yeah. That's what he can do. Someone gave him lift. Maybe his own men, but
Yeah. Oof.
crazy. Seriously, like we can understand. We cannot understand what stars might be facing. Like
Going
it will be
through,
dealing, and somehow suppose they need to be gentle. They need to be humble. They shouldn't show any sign of what
Irritation or anything, yeah.
irritation or anger that their private life is being.
Not private life, but he has just come
See,
out.
that is a basic right for any citizen
Yeah,
to
but-
go and give the vote. See, in that place also he is not getting a chance. But that's what I'm saying. Being a superstar, those things he knows how to handle.
It comes in part and parcel.
Part and
actually.
parcel, because even if I am there or any fan of Thalapathy Vijay, like it will be what?
They will
A
of
rare
course try
occasion.
to go and see him or meet him
we'll
once,
go.
yeah.
We'll try to go near him, take a selfie with him. We can show. It will be for our memories, and we can show to our friends, family. So I can understand their happiness also.
But this was actually unbelievable. And
Yes.
that too, he came in a cycle.
That we never thought. He will come in cycle.
Yeah.
And that's what is amazing is how he came from his house. Maybe when he
How
started,
he
no one
reached
might
there.
be knowing because he was wearing mask, and how Thalapathy Vijay will come in cycle. Okay,
Yeah, no one
somehow
would
he reached
expect-
there. By that time, people got to know that he has come. So by when he started going back, it was so difficult. The road was like jam packed.
He had to leave his cycle.
Chalo, some good fellow gave him lift to his home. Nice friends, like hope everyone who were there also have casted their vote.
Yeah.
That is our basic rights. Okay then friends, it was a nice video. We got to know that how he gave vote. Like normally people, if they don't give also, no one will look into that. Still, it was good. Okay friends, then we shall meet with some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.